Welcome to Metalli, a trusted manufacturer in custom pillar plates and heat exchange solutions. With 14 years of expertise, we proudly serve industries like food and beverage, chemical processing, and energy storage. Today, we'll take you inside our factory to explore the advanced production process behind our high-quality pillar plates. The process begins with carefully selected stainless steel or other premium materials. Each sheet undergoes inspection to ensure it meets our high standards for strength and durability. CNC-controlled laser welding creates precise uniform weld patterns for maximum durability and heat transfer efficiency. This technology minimizes heat distortion, ensuring the quality of every pillar plate. Custom inlet and outlet pipes are welded onto the plates, which are then hydraulically inflated to form the pillar structure with internal flow channels. Each plate is thoroughly tested for pressure and leak resistance with helium and water to ensure long-term reliability. Polishing, pickling, or electropolishing enhances the plate's durability, corrosion resistance, and hygiene. Each treatment is customized to meet specific application requirements. Every pillar plate is inspected for weld quality dimensions and surface finish before packaging. Products are carefully packed to ensure they arrive safely at their destination. Thank you for visiting Metalli's factory. If you're looking for high quality plates, contact us today. We look forward to working with you on your next project.